Hello dear students, welcome again to Edtarget. This is our second lecture of AP Physics 1 series. In last lecture, we have discussed distance and displacement. In this lecture, we will discuss about speed and velocity. We will also solve few numericals. So, what is speed? Speed means how faster you are traveling. Speed means student how faster you are traveling. Let's say your friend covers 1 kilometer of distance in 10 minutes and you cover the same 1 kilometer of distance in 4 minutes. It means your friend is slower and you are faster. So your speed is more. I think it's common sense also. Now students, what is the formula of speed? So formula of speed is distance over time. How to calculate speed, students? Use the formula distance over time. This formula we will use to find speed. Now students, speed is a scalar quantity. It means it has only magnitude, it has no direction. Scalar quantity means, students, it has only magnitude, it has no direction. One more thing, students, that if any quantity is scalar, it means it can only be positive. It cannot be negative or zero. So all the time you will see the value of speed. Those values will always be positive. They will never be negative or zero. Last students, what is the unit of speed? So unit of speed is meter per second. You can think distance over time. So distance unit is meter and time unit is second. So its unit will become meter per second. Also students, distance has a unit kilometer also and time has unit hour also. So one more unit will be kilometer per hour, that we say kph. So what is speed? Speed means how faster we are traveling. What is the formula of speed? Distance over time. Speed is a scalar quantity. It can only be positive. Its unit is meter per second or kilometer per hour. I hope this much is clear to all of you. Now students, one more thing. If you want to take a personal guidance from me, personal mentorship for your any of AP exam, either it's AP Calculus, AP Physics 1 or AP Mechanics C, you can WhatsApp me over this number. Now students, we will learn how to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. So students, kilometer per hour means 1 kilometer over 1 hour. 1 kph means 1 kilometer over 1 hour. Now students, 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meter and 1 hour is nothing but 3600 second. So if you cut these two zeros, it will become 10 over 36, which is 5 over 18 meter per second. It means in 1 kph we have 5 over 18 meter per second. I hope this thing is clear that in 1 kph we have 5 over 18 meter per second. Now students, if you want to convert meter per second into kph, so from this you can directly convert that in 1 meter per second we will have 18 over 5 kph. 18 over 5. 18 will go like this, 5 will come like this. So in 1 meter per second we have 18 over 5 kph. I hope it is clear now. So what we have learned that in 1 kph we have 5 over 18 meter per second and in 1 meter per second we have 18 over 5 kph. Now students, we will learn what is average speed. So students, let's say you started from your school with your bicycle. So it's not like that all the time you are moving with same speed. Sometimes you run faster, sometimes you run slower. It means your speed is not same all the time. So what if your mom ask you that how with what speed you traveled? So how can you answer, because your speed is not constant? So in that case you will find the average speed, because all the time our speed is not constant. So how to answer what was our speed? So we have to go to average speed. What is average speed, students? It's overall speed of a journey. What is average speed? It's overall speed of a journey. Average speed is nothing but overall speed of a journey. How to find it? Total distance covered over total time taken. How to find average speed, students? The formula is total distance covered over total time taken. I hope it is clear. Now we will solve two good problems. So first question says a particle covers half of the total distance with speed v1 and rest half distance with speed v2. They are asking us to find average speed. Now students, when you have to solve such problems, I suggest you to always draw a line showing the path, total path. Now they are saying that half of, so let's students, this is the total distance which is 2d. Now half distance will be d and other half will be d. So first half is covered with speed v1, other half is covered with speed v2. Now students, we know that speed is nothing but distance over time. So time will be distance over speed. Speed is distance over time. So time will be distance over speed. Now student, in first part, what is distance? Distance is d and speed is v1. So time will be d over v1. And in second part, distance is d and time is v2. So distance is d and speed is v2. So time will be d over v2. This is the time we have calculated, d over v1 and d over v2. Now students, we have to find, they are asking us average speed. We know what is the formula of average speed. Total distance covered over total time taken. So students, if you see here, what is the total distance covered? Here total distance covered is d plus d. And what is the total time taken? Sorry. Total distance covered is d over d. And what is the total time taken? So time is d over v1 plus d over v2. Now students, d plus d is nothing but 2d. And here you can take d as common. And LCM will be v1, v2. So here comes v1, here comes v2. Students, d and d will get cancelled. So, and this v1, v2 will go and multiply with, sorry, this v1, v2 will be multiplied with this upper part. So it will become 2 v1, v2 over v1 plus v2. So students, this is the formula of overall average speed for this question, which is 2v1 v2 over v1 plus v2. So you can see that option B matches with our answer. So option B is correct. I hope it is clear to you. I suggest you to take a 30-second pause and again see this problem. How we did it. We assume the total distance as 2d. Then for first part, time will be d over v1. For next part, time will be d over v2. Then formula of average speed is total distance covered over total time taken. So students, total distance covered is 2d, total time taken is d by v1 plus d by v2. Then we have taken d as common and cancelled it with the numerator. Also we have taken LCM here. So it will become v1 plus v2 over v1 v2. This v1 v2 will go and multiply with this 2. So it will become 2 v1 v2 over v1 plus v2. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now we will solve the fourth problem. So what does it say? It says that a car moves from x to y with a uniform speed Vu and returns to y with a uniform speed Vd. They are asking us the average speed. So it means, again, whenever we have such problems, I suggest you to always draw a line. So students, let's say this is our total path. So this is point x and this is point y. While going from x to y, speed is Vu, and while coming back from y to x, speed is Vd. Now they're asking us average speed. One more thing, students, let's say the total distance from x to y is d. So while going also distance will be d, while coming back also distance will be d. Now students, they are asking us average speed again, average speed. So we know that what is the formula of average speed? It's total distance over total time. So again, what is total distance? D while going plus d while returning back. What is total distance, students? D while going from x to y and d while coming back from y to x. So total distance will be d plus d, which is 2d. Now what will be total time? So while going, time will be, we know that bacho, we know that students, that time is distance over speed. So while going, time will be d by vu, plus while returning back it will be d by vd. So if you add it again, it will become 2d. Here you will take 2 d as common. It will, and you will take LCM. So vu vd upon vu plus vd. Students, d and t will get cancelled. This vu plus vd. Sorry, I have written it. Sorry, students. I have simply exchanged the terms. Numerator will be vu plus vd, and denominator will become vu vd. Now this vu vd will get multiplied by this, and it will become 2 vu vd over vu plus vd. That is our answer. So again, option D matches. Again, students, I suggest you to take a 30-second pause and see the question. Total distance while going, it's d, while returning, it's d. So total distance will become 2d. Again, students, while going, what is the time? Distance over speed, d by vu. While returning, what is the time? D by vd. Then we took the LCM and we got the final answer is 2 vu vd upon vu plus vd. So students, this was about our average speed. I am giving you few examples to solve yourself. So you try these questions and try to answer them. You solve them and mark the answer. Write the answer in the comment box. Right answer I will give the heart in the comment box. Also, if you have doubt in solving them, so you can message me over my number which I have given you. Again, I will share my number. So my contact is +91 89177999342. You can call me on this number for personal mentorship. For AP Calculus, any kind of AP Maths or AP Physics, you can contact me on this number. Also solve this problems, students. Next class, we will discuss about average velocity and whole velocity concept. Thank you so much.